Now we've got multiple service writers, or I've been working all day. I've been busy. I'm completing service tickets as quickly as I can. And now we're up to this afternoon, and I want to call everybody and make sure that they come pick up their units as soon as possible. I also want to keep track of who I've called and how many times I've called them and what I've talked to them about for historical purposes based on the service ticket. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to reports. So we're going over here to the reports module, and then we're going to go to service, and then we're going to run this service call sheet. And this is where we work to make our phone calls. And when we open this up, you'll notice that we can look at a couple different things. One thing I can do is I can come in here and look, and I haven't refreshed my browser, so it thinks it's still the 30th, but I can come in here and look at everything that has been completed today for a particular location. I can also go back in time and look at everything that's already been cashed out, where we can go and call customers to find out if they're happy with their service. So this report is actually quite powerful in helping us manage the customer relationship with all of our service customers. So right now I want to call customers that we have completed their service ticket. So I'm actually going to just come in here and say this month, and we'll run the report. And so this gives us a color-coded list of green basically telling us that we have called that particular customer, and the white ones, we have not called them yet. So we want to go through and actually call the customer and let them know their unit is done. So a couple different things. One is, from this report, I can actually click this little icon here and open up the original service ticket. So any customer that has a question about their service ticket, we can get to it from right there on the list. We don't have to leave and go do any searching or anything. In addition, you'll notice their phone number happens to be a link. And if I click on their phone number, it'll actually open up the call screen for me to actually start logging the telephone call. So we're going to say that this is a service outgoing call. And then the system goes over here and starts logging the call. And you'll notice that it has already filled most everything out. It's got the service ticket subject, and then it's got the called for this particular service ticket. Now, I may go down here and change the person that I talked to. I may add some additional notes. Said they would pick up next week. Whatever it is that I'm going to do, I will go ahead and log while I'm here, so that anybody else that's looking at this customer's record or this service ticket will be able to see the fact that I have called them and let them know that, that their ticket is ready for them to come pick up. Now, this report, like I said, actually has the ability to show me the cashed out customers as well. So we can actually go and call them to find out, I can go and look at everybody that cashed out a week ago and call them and make sure that they're happy with their service and that everything is, satisfactory and that they're, don't have any issues. So the report is, quite powerful, gives you a lot of different features, and also gives you that color coding so you can quickly identify the ones that you need to be calling.